Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to poke someone on Facebook, updated easy guide. So if you want to poke your friends or you want to see who poked you on your Facebook account, then you're onto the right guide. So just log in first onto your Facebook account and make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account. Right after the view poke, you should be able to find the one here onto the search bar. So you'll just have to click onto the search icon in here and type in poke. Click on the search and there you should be able to see in here the two options. So you could see in here the icon to poke your audience and see who has poked you, or poke your friends and see who has poked you. So you could choose either way. Click onto the first one in here, and if you have friends onto your Facebook, you should be able to find in all of your friends in here and a poke icon. So you'll just have to click onto poke to go ahead and poke them so that it would be easier for you to find your friends. You could utilize the search bar as well in here. So you should be able to find in as well in here if the friend has poked you. And that is how to poke someone on Facebook, updated easy guide. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.